Who said imagination and visualization are just daydreaming? It's been scientifically proven that visualization significantly helps in achieving success. By using visualization techniques, you can start working towards your goals right away. Take a moment to think about what you truly want to achieve, not focusing on your current resources or limitations. What exactly do you want to accomplish? Write down a detailed description of this vision using words to paint the picture. Why write it down? Because writing encourages thinking. Thinking creates an image, and that image builds a vivid vision in your mind. Visualization taps into your superconscious abilities and unlocks your mental potential. As you visualize, you begin to receive a steady stream of ideas and energy aimed at reaching your goals. The clearer the picture in your mind, the faster your subconscious and superconscious work to make it a reality. Don't wish or hope, visualize. Rather than merely wishing or hoping for your desires to manifest, focus on visualizing your goals as if they have already been achieved. Visualizing your goals as already achieved, your body starts to respond and adjust to create the results you want. Opportunities begin to appear in unexpected ways. The right people enter your life at the right time, and events and circumstances align to fulfill your desires. A key success technique used by highly successful people, often called visionaries, is to close their eyes and envision the future. You create your future by seeing it clearly in your mind. Reverse the process. One of the quickest ways to make something happen in your physical reality is to reverse the usual process of creation. Instead of first looking for opportunities, facing challenges, and gradually finding success, visualize yourself as already successful. Believe strongly in this process, and things will align and materialize effortlessly. For example, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, act as if you already are one. Think, feel, and behave like an entrepreneur. Speak and carry yourself with the wisdom and confidence of an entrepreneur, even before you achieve it in the material world. Embrace these visualization techniques. Use the power of your imagination to turn your dreams into reality, making each goal a tangible part of your life.